everyone. Do you remember our story yesterday called Mouse Shapes? I wonder, did any of you manage to make some nice pictures using shapes? Well, today we're going to make something that we saw in the book. But before we do that, why don't we try and sing our shape song again? Only today I think we could add a verse for 2 more shapes. Okay? So, we'll start with a circle shape goes round and round. Then we'll do a triangle has 3 straight sides. Then we could do a square shape has 4 straight sides. And then we could see if we could make up a verse for an oval shape. Goes round and round, but we'll have to change the last line. Okay, so let's have a go anyway. The circle shape goes round and round, round and round, round and round. Circle shape goes round and round all day long. Triangle. A triangle has 3 straight sides, 3 straight sides, 3 straight sides. A triangle has 3 straight sides all day long. A square. A square shape has 4 straight sides, 4 straight sides, 4 straight sides. A square shape has 4 straight sides, all the same length. Now let's try an oval shape. An oval shape goes round and round, round and round, round and round. An oval shape goes round and round, just like an egg. Well done. Maybe the next day, maybe tomorrow, we could add another verse to go with our song. Well done. Now we're going to have a wee look at our craft for today. When I was reading the story and I saw those 3 big mice that they made, that the little mice made, I thought that would be a great idea for us to do. The first thing I did was I got a piece of cardboard, and you might need mum or dad or an adult in the house to help you with this bit, but you will need to cut out a shape for the mouse's body. If you're doing 3 mice, you might want to make them different. I did 2 circles and then 1 square. Then you need 3 triangles for the mice's heads, and for their ears you need 6 small circles for the ears. And the last thing that we need is the tail, and I did very long skinny triangles for the tail. I chose 3 colours of paint, and I painted each of the pieces with each of the colours. Next, I had to stick the mice together, but instead of making my mouse all the same colour, I changed it around. So if its tummy was 1 colour, I made his head a different colour and his ears a different colour. And then I chose a tail to go on. So you can see, there are my 3 mice, 1, 2, 3. Then I went to add eyes and whiskers and just a little tip of black on the end of the mouse's nose. There we go. Those are my 3 mice. I wonder if you could make mice like that. That would be fantastic if you could. I would love to see them. I think we could do a song about mice, couldn't we? I think I know one about 3 mice, but there was something wrong with them. They couldn't see. Sure they couldn't. They were 3 blind mice. Let's try that song. 3 blind mice, 3 blind mice. See how they run, see how they run. They all run after the farmer's wife, who cuts off their tails with a carving knife. Did ever you see such a thing in your life as 3 blind mice? 3 blind mice. That's a funny song, isn't it? Poor mice getting their tails cut off. That wouldn't be very nice. Okay, let's sing another song. This song's called 5 Little Mice. 5 little mice came out to play, gathering crumbs along the way. Out came Pussycat, sleek and fat, and 4 little mice go scampering back. Let's see if you can join in. 5 little mice came out to play, gathering crumbs along the way. Out came Pussycat, sleek and fat, 4 little mice go scampering back. 4 little mice came out to play, gathering crumbs along the way. Out came Pussycat, sleek and fat, 3 little mice go scampering back. 3 little mice came out to play, gathering crumbs along the way. Out came Pussycat, sleek and fat, and 2 little mice go scampering back. 2 little mice came out to play, gathering crumbs along the way. Out came Pussycat, sleek and fat, and 1 little mouse went scampering back. 1 little mouse came out to play, gathering crumbs along the way. Out came Pussycat, sleek and fat, and no little mouse came scampering back. Well done. Boys and girls, I hope you have fun making your mice. Maybe you could make 5 of them, and then you could sing that song with your 5 mice. That's been great today, boys and girls. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to send me your photographs in, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Okay, boys and girls, stay safe, take care, bye.